Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your 1688 Chinese shopping app. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on your profile icon. On getting to your profile icon, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and see how you can upgrade or update your 1688 Chinese shopping app and get access to some of the new features on 1688 Chinese shopping app. So with that being said, let's get started. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao, or pinduoduo, or IDFish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The next thing you want to do right here from your profile right here, go ahead and click on this setting icon. The next thing you want to do from your profile right here, go ahead and click on here. I'm going to click on this setting icon right here, and it's going to take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down. So on getting here, scroll down right here, and then go ahead and click on here. And this is going to pump up right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here. So right here, you can see update is started download right here. Allow everything to download completely. Just like so. After a successful download, it's going to automatically, so just like so, go ahead and click on update right here. Installing update. Allow everything to install completely, and then continue to enjoy and have full features and access to some of the new features on 1688 Chinese shopping app. Successfully update app install. Go ahead and click on open right here. And you are back to your 1688 with new features. As far as 1688 Chinese shopping app is concerned, it's that simple. So this is how to simply upgrade or update your 1688 Chinese shopping app to get access to some of the new features on 1688 Chinese shopping app. For more tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.